Welcome back with a new math tutorial. In this video, we'll know how to divide the multiples of 10, 100, and 1000. So in question number 1, we need to complete each bit. 12 divided by 4. As we said before, the first number here in division is called dividend, and the second number here is called divisor. The last one, or the answer that you will find, is called the quotient. So we need to divide 12 by 4. If you need to divide, you will ask yourself, what is the number? If I multiply it by 4, the answer will be equals to 12. You will find that the number will be equal to 3. It's mean 12 divided by 4 equals to 3. Now we have 120 divided by 4. I will start from the left. The only operation that we start from the left, which is division. So I will take only one digit. Can we divide 1 by 4? 1 is smaller than 4, so we can divide it. There is no number if I multiply it by 4, the answer will be equals 1. So we have here 12. As we know that 3 multiplied by 4 equals to 12. So we will divide the number now. The left number, which is 12, the quotient equal to 3. Still we have 1 0, so we'll put 1 0 at the answer. Don't start dividing from the right. Again for the next one. 1200. As we know that 12 divided by 4 equal to 3. Still we have 2 zeros, so I will put them at the quotient, so the answer now will be equal to 300. 36 divided by 9. What is the number? If I multiply it by 9, the answer will be equal to 36. You will find that this number will be equals 4. Now we have 360 divided by 9. We know that 36 divided by 9 equals to 4. Because we have still 1 0, so I will put 1 0 at the answer. So the answer now will be equals 40. 3600 divided by 9. We know that 36 divided by 9 equals 4. And still we have 2 zeros, so I will put them at the answer, so the answer will be equals 400. 12 divided by 2. We need to find the number that if we multiply it by 2, the answer will be equals 12. The number that we multiplied by 2, the answer will be equals 12, which is 6. Now we have 120 divided by 2. We know that 12 divided by 2 from the first question equal to 6. Because we have 1 0, so I'll put 1 0 at the answer. Now we have here 1200. We can't divide 1 by 2, because 1 is smaller than 2. The dividend, if the dividend is smaller than the divisor, we can divide. So I will take 2 digits, which is 12. We know that 12 divided by 2 equals 6. And still we have 2 zeros, so I'll put them at the answer. It will be equal to 600. Again for question number 4. 54 divided by 9. What is the number? If I multiply it by 9, the answer will be equals 54. You will find that this number will be equal to 6. Now 540 divided by 9. You will find that 5 is not divisible by 9. We can divide 5 by 9. So I will take 54. We know that 54 divided by 9 equals 6. Because we have 1 0, so I'll put at the quotient will be equal to 60. 5400 divided by 9. We know that 54 divided by 9 equals 6. Still we have 2 zeros, so I'll put the 2 zeros at the quotient, so it will be equals 600. 36 divided by 4. The number that we multiplied by 4 to make the answer equal to 36, which is 9. Now we have 360 divided by 9. We can divide 3 by 4, so I will take 36. 36 divided by 4, we just find it, which equals to 9. Still we have 1 0, so I'll put 1 0 at the answer. Don't start from the right. Again we have here 3600. We know that 36 divided by 4 equals 9. Still we have 2 zeros, so I'll put the 2 zeros at the answer, so the answer now will be equals 900. The second part in our lesson today, we will not use the pattern, we'll use the mental math to divide. We need to divide 400 divided by 2. As we said before, we will start from the left by taking one digit. 4 divided by 2. 4 is greater than 2, so we can divide it. So at the first, I'm looking to the number that if you multiply it by 2, the answer will be equals 4. You will find that it will be equals 2. So 4 divided by 2 equals 2. Because 2 times 2 equals 4. Now still we have 2 zeros, so I will put the 2 zeros at the answer. So the answer will be equals 200. Don't start from the right. Always start from the left. Now we have 200 divided by 5. Once you start from the right, you said we have 2 zeros, so I'll put the 2 zeros now. Can we divide 2 by 5? you will not be able to divide 2 by 5. So there is no answer for the question because you start from the right. Now if you start from the left, you will find that 2 divided by 5, there is no number. If I multiply it by 5, the answer will be equals to. But if you take 2 digits now, 20 divided by 5, we know that 4 times 5 equals 220. So the left part now will be 20. Still we have 1 0, so I'll put 1 0 at the answer, so it will be equals 40. So 200 divided by 5 equals 40. Again, one more time. 3 divided by 5. 3 is smaller than 5, so we can divide it. So I will take 2 digits. Now 35. 35 divided by 5 equals to 7. Still we have 2 zeros, so I put the 2 zeros at the answer. It will be equal to 700. 1 divided by 7. The dividend is smaller than the divisor, so we can divide. So I will take 14. 14 divided by 7. The number that we multiplied by 7 to be equals to 14, which is 2. Still we have 2 zeros, so I'll put the 2 zeros at the answer. It will be equals to 100. 900 divided by 3. 9 divided by 3 equals 3, because 3 multiplied by 3 equals 9. To find the quotient, at the first ask yourself what is the number. If I multiply it by 3, the answer will be equals 9. So you know that 3 multiplied by 3 equals 9. Because we have here 2 zeros, so I'll put the 2 zeros at the answer. It will be equals 300. And that's how we can divide the multiples of 10, 100, and 1000.